Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, remote keyless entry, outside temperature gauge, backup camera, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, push button start, OnStar Communication System, cruise control, trip computer. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.